Hi guys, this is an important clarification regarding my CA Inter auditing and ethics related classes. And I have seen many students who are enrolling into our CA Inter. Uh, you know, I have seen many students who are enrolling into this audit course, CA Inter audit course. Okay, in our website, srestofacacma.com website. So in this website, when you order the class, right, you get a class where the material used is black and white. Whereas when you're ordering books, right, like if you see you're ordering books, you will get a color book. You will get a color book. This is a full set where you will be getting question bank and MCQ booklet extra along with colored smart notes. Now, the question is, sir, the classes are based on black and white material. The book is a color book. What, like, should I follow the same? Right now, follow the same. I am going to start a new classes at Chennai face to face from 16th October. Daily 3 hours is the class. 1 month I will update entire that classes already which you already bought in Google Drive, be it on Google Drive or maybe in our new website itself or in our old application. So for you, whoever have already bought, you will get access to the new classes also. Right now you watch without wasting your time. If at all, since you already bought, you just watch without wasting the time. Just another 15 days. I am doing this video in the September last week. Another 15 to 17 days, I'm starting new classes where you will find new classes also immediately along with the old class. Once all the new classes are uploaded, old classes will be deleted. New classes will be uploaded as and when every day. Every day as and when the class is completed, we will upload the class on the same day in the application. So you will have access to the new class. By the way, new class is going to be based on color notes. Not just that, simultaneously we cover question bank. For example, I'll show you. You can see, you can come to free resources. What exactly is the material, if whether you buy the material in the website or whether you want to take a printout. So this is how the colored notes looks like, smart notes. And I hope this is what in the recent marathon also I've used it. Question bank, you see, I will explain you the beauty of this question bank. For every chapter, sorry, for every chapter, for every chapter we have given, you see, illustrations, test your knowledge from ICI, and question papers from past exam questions, RTPs, MTPs. Every chapter, especially the chapters where some standards are there, standard wise we give past examination questions, all that. Getting it? So standard wise we have given, chapter wise, standard wise. We are going to cover all this. We are going to solve all this in the upcoming class. The upcoming class, concept explanation, illustrations from IC explanation, past examination questions, MTP, RTP questions also we are going to solve in the class itself. Not just that, you will shock one more thing. We are also going to solve MCQs in the class. MCQs in the class. In the hard copy, if you are ordering, in the same book, you will get MCQs as well as question bank. Whereas in, just a minute. So this is the MCQ book. MCQ book also you see chapter wise, standard MCQs, correct or incorrect questions, case based MCQs, and MCQs from past MTPs, RTPs. Breakup is there. We are going to discuss MCQs also 100%. I'm telling you, I will give you the main classes, MCQs, question bank, past examination questions, RTPs, MTPs, revision videos. Every attempt, January attempt or May attempt, November 25, whatever the attempt, respective MTPs and RTPs. Why late? Enroll soon and enjoy the classes. Sir, I am a subscription model student. By the way, what about me? For you also, I'm going to upload. That's why in the subscription model timetable, if you see, auditing was given somewhere in the second or third month. So if you're starting coaching now, recently, for the January attempt, you just follow the timetable. As per the timetable, when audit comes, that time you start watch audit. By then, new classes will be there, man. Don't worry. Okay. All the very best. And one more thing. Sir, I don't want to wait up to the new class, sir. I already started preparation. The content in the class material, whatever black and white material used, and the content in the smart notes, are they exactly same? Exactly same. Smart notes is colored one, that's a black and white. Exactly same. You can exactly find each and every word, each and every line as usual. Okay. That's it. I just want to give this clarification. All the very best. Do well.